So, in today's lecture, we discuss about the theorem related to circle, that is, opposite angle of a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle is supplementary. Opposite angle of a quadrilateral means four-sided figure inscribed in a circle. That quadrilateral should be in a circle, and all the 4 points of a quadrilateral should be on circumference of circle. Is a supplementary. Means that its opposite angle, sum of their opposite angles should be equal to 180 when all the 4 points of a quadrilateral lie on a circle. Or you can say that opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So basically, these are the statements related to quadrilateral on a circle. Now we can see how this theorem applies or how we can prove this theorem. Uh, let's suppose we have a circle and we have circle and having 4 points and we draw a quadrilateral. That now you see that A, B, C, and D representing a quadrilateral which is lying on a circle inscribed in a circle, because this quadrilateral, all 4 points of circle or 4 points of quadrilateral are on circle. So if we measure its angle, you can see that these two B and C are opposite angles and their sum should be equal to 180. Now you can sum it. 97.04, 82.96. When you sum it, it will be equal to 180. If I drag these 2 points, still they are supplementary. If I drag these 2 points, still they are supplementary. So if all the 4 points lie on a quadrilateral, lie on a circle, or the quadrilateral is a inscribed quadrilateral, then the opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. If I drag this, you can see it still remains a supplementary. So it means that the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. If I want to measure these two are also supplementary angles. So if I want to prove through these 2 points, so you see that angle ADB is 120.99. Now, if I measure angle DA, yes, CAB, it will be equals to. So these two are supplementary, and all sum of all the 4 angles equals to 360. So opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are always supplementary. That is our theorem. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Again, here you can see if the angles are on the same segment, they are equal. That is our theorem number 3. When we learn that angle and same segment are always equal. Now, if I move this angle to the opposite side, now that figure becomes a quadrilateral. All the 4 points, and that is a cyclic quadrilateral. And if you can see, if that point lie on a circle, then the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. 92 plus 88, it will be equal to 180. So opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals are always 180. So if I move this point, like here, and if I drag this point again on a circle, you can see the sum is 180. The opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are 180. Cyclic quadrilateral, all the 4 points of quadrilateral should be lie on a circle. All the 4 points of quadrilateral should be lie on all the 4 vertices of a quadrilateral lie on a circle. Then their opposite angles should be on supplementary. If they are not lying on a circle, let's suppose then this theorem will not be valid until unless all the 4 points of a quadrilateral lie on a circle, circumference of a circle. Then this theorem is valid that opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals are 180.